is Crystal Star with Eye Chakras Zen Center, and today we're talking about affirmations. This affirmation is for your crown chakra. This is where you hold your connection to God, your information and knowledge of that higher power in your body. So you could keep your palms open while saying this affirmation, or you could do the mudra, intertwine your fingers and put your pinkies straight up and hold it in front of you with your arms and shoulders relaxed. Take a deep breath and repeat each line after me. I have faith in God. I am connected to God. I have a relationship with God. I communicate with God. I am a precious child of God. God loves me unconditionally. I have complete faith when I pray. God supports me in every move I make. I feel God in everything I do. God flows through me. Repeat these affirmations before or after communicating with God or prayer, and you could do these as often as necessary. Leave in the comments below how you feel after saying these words. Love and light.